Today we're removing the carburetor from a Briggs Stratton engine. This is a single cylinder engine. You're going to want to take a pair of locking pliers and clamp off the fuel line if it doesn't have a fuel shut off. Another pair of pliers will take the hose clamp and the fuel line off. You'll need a T45 Torx bit to take the bits in the front out. These bolts here. You'll need a 3/8 inch wrench here to take the back bolts out. I've already loosened all those bolts, so I'm just going to take the shroud off. With some models, this shroud will have this gap here that allows you to slide it off with the bolts still in place. If you're not lucky, it'll have a piece of plastic across here, and you will have to take all of the bolts, the two in the front and the two in the back, completely out. In some occasions, you'll open up the air filter assembly, and it'll have a bolt that goes through the assembly into a bolt hole here on the air cleaner mount. Now, a 7/16 wrench, and if you have it, nut driver, will make quick work of this. Move this. Don't lose the O-ring. Try not to get any carburetor cleaner on that O-ring either. Then it will swell and it's a pain. Now you go with your 5/16 inch wrench. No, they're loose enough. Now, unplug down at the bottom, if you haven't already, the wire that goes to the fuel solenoid. Remove the choke. Careful not to damage this tiny little wire. You can remove the throttle. And that's how you remove the carburetor from a Briggs & Stratton single cylinder engine.